In this video, I'm going to go over the active trader on the desktop platform. Alright, so the active trader, you come here to trade and then active. First, you can choose which watch list you want used, or you can just create a new one, whatever you want to do. I'm going to come over here and click today's watch list. If I want to enter any onto it, I can just click right here and hit add symbol. So if I want Tesla added, just type it in and hit enter. I think Tesla is already on this watch list, so that's okay. It's right here. The cool thing about the active trader is when you hit ask, you are going to be buying the stock at the default quantity that you put in the settings. And then you can see this ruler type of thing over here on the side where I can move my order on the ruler and you can see the ask, the bid, and the last price. Or I can click over here on the sell side and do the same thing. When you grab this and move it, you'll notice that this button right here turns to a lock rather than an open lock. That means that it is locked in at a limit order at that price. If you leave it unlocked, then it's going to be following the price action and it will be doing things depending on what you have over here on the left side. The left side is not global. So each time you change a stock, it's going to change this stuff over here. So it's specific to the stock that you were choosing. For example, if I come over here to PR off, which is price offset, and change it to $5, then if I click right here, it's going to do it on the buy side, giving me an offset of exactly $5. But if I click on this one right here, you'll notice it's not giving me that offset of $5 because it went back to 5 cents. But if I go back to Tesla, it's going to go to $5. So it saves per stock, not globally. The next one is right here, the PRTK, which is the price a tick. So when I click this right here, it's going to go up by 1 cent. But if I change this to $5, it's going to move in $5 increments. And then the quantity tick, I can change this from 100 to 500. So it's just doing what kind of tick when you click the up and down arrows it's going to be. So it'll override the defaults that you have. TIFF, you have your day, you're good to cancel, you're extended, those types of things. And so you can choose what you want there. And then you can do a limit order, stop limit, a stop market, or a market order. So with the limit and you let it unlock and it moves, then when you hit send, it's going to be a limit price. If I hit market, it's going to send at market. So if I choose stop limit, I need to choose first my stop price. This is basically the threshold that if the stock reaches, then my limit order will go live. Or I can do a stop market order, which will send a market order if the price hits that level. And I'm going to change this back to a limit order. And then the safety is really important. The safety will disregard this bar right here. So right now I have it on. So when I click, it gives me this order confirmation in a sense. Whereas if I turn the safety off, it gives you this warning saying that this safety bar is not going to appear. For example, now if I click on it, you see my order went completely through. And because I have a $5 offset, it sent it way down here. Now I can click the X to cancel it. And I'm going to turn safety back on. And I want to show you what it looks like if I have a position. So I'm going to buy one with no offset. So I'm filled now. And you can see my position over here on the side. And this button right here is a flatten, and this button right here is a flatten. So if I just click on either one of those, it's going to send a market order to get me out of that position. And I'm going to hit yes. And because my safety is on, it's giving me the confirmation window again. So I'm going to hit send. And now I got out with a loss of 3 cents. That's all for the active trader. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.